Apfel Doctor Germany, my name is Ben, good morning and welcome to the micro soldering show. And today, after some other repairs, I'm now just fixing what's that? An iPhone 6s, which doesn't work anymore, like the customer told us. When I get it on the amp meter, it says 0000, so nothing. Let's check what's happening here. No screws on the bottom. That's the first thing I see. I can directly open, but in the phone it looks like nothing happened before. Let's see on hands. Oh, they changed the battery, I see. Okay, it's battery was replaced already. Let's see by power supply what we can find out here. And it's a short, full short, properly on VCC main. So let's see where the short is and how fast we can solve that. The data is really important on this phone, but it's needed for full function too. So not only data rescue, it's a repair in combination by data rescue job. Okay. Let's see what we can do here. We just get out the board, and after that finding the short. Get out the board, finding the short, get them back together and straight up to the customer. Test. So get out the screw here. Get out the screw on the top. Normally I have a screwdriver for that, but it's laying on David's place and David has holiday today and tomorrow. So I had to stand up and get it, and I don't want to, so I just used.
I can give you something.
Okay. No, all okay. Already done. Okay, let's get out the board and now let's see where we have the short. We take the thermal cam. And if you want to buy this holder, you can do that at Abseco. Contact Ricardo Valencia. He sells this goods which we are producing here. Okay, so let's get on power supply and checking for the short, where it is. Can we see something or not? Just waiting for the cam, and after that, yeah, now we can just have a look. Okay, looks like could be here on the top. So we get out the sticker, the EMI sticker here. We renew it later after fixing the phone. Okay. And can you see that it's just a cap next beside to the power IC. It's glowing so nice, real nice look to that capacitor. Okay, let's go under the microscope. And just having a look for the capacitor. And you see here, you see it already just with your eyes that it's a broken capacitor. I got something like this a minute before on an iPad 12 12.9. Two caps at different places on VCC main were shorted. Okay, now we are next to the power IC. I don't like to use something like a short killer because I don't want to burn traces and things like that. But I want to get out the cap, and I don't want to replace it because it's near to the power IC and I don't want to risk cold solder. So I just use a small amount of heat, a really small amount of heat. To get out the glue here. Same here, and then just get the cap out without cracking the power IC. It's only the glue on the top, no crack on the power IC or things like that. Prevent damages in the whole area. Okay. So one cap less or more on VCC main doesn't make anything. It's just stabilization, and so it's not a problem. So we have no crack at the power IC, it's just the coating on the power IC, which we lost a little bit here, and that's not a problem at all because the IC is looking good. And I just won't replace that cap here. I don't do that. Okay. So now just cool the board down. About 7 minutes, so it's a short video. Just a VCC main short on an iPhone 6s. Fast money. Okay, let's get on the screen. Where's my cable here? Okay, get on the cable and try to boot. And boom! We are back to life again with our iPhone 6s after a little short on VCC main. Just the cap next beside to the big power IC on the back side of the board in the upper area. Just kicked the cap off, knocked the cap off out of the board. No replacement because we are next beside to the underfilled power IC, next behind the CPU, next behind the RAM, and we don't want to get any problems in these areas because data are important, the life of the phone is important, the customer wants a complete repair, the customer wants a working phone and all his important data. So no problem at this point. Just wait until the phone has booted up. Then I show to you that the touch is working, and after that I just clean up the board again. Then I get a new sticker on the back side of the EMI shield, mount the device, do a complete functionality test, and then the device goes out to the customer. These are damages we do about 20, 25, 30 times a day because they are really occurring often on these devices. So you see, it's just working again. Okay, the phone is fine. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was just a little basic thing today. Tomorrow we will see us again. If you want to learn things like that, you can easily do that at the Borderline Repair School Germany. And if you're working at repair industry for smartphones and tablets, just join our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany. Please answer the questions, otherwise you won't be accepted. I'm out. Boom! Back to life again. Here's Ben.